miles an hour. The pressure was 29.99 inches and steady. Elsewhere around the region, in northeast Massachusetts, this has been a test of the NOAA radio tone and SAME alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes. Radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather